Wireless electric portable espresso coffee machine. Barista-quality espresso, anywhere you go. The wireless electric portable espresso coffee machine is a revolutionary device designed for coffee aficionados who demand exceptional espresso quality on the go. This 3-in-1 marvel seamlessly integrates capsule and ground coffee compatibility with intelligent heating and high-pressure extraction, delivering a barista-level experience in a compact, travel-friendly package. Key features: upgraded 8G coffee powder adapter. Enjoy a richer, more robust brew with the new larger capacity 8G coffee powder adapter, allowing for more ground coffee and personalized flavor profiles. Upgraded stainless steel water tank. Experience superior heat conductivity and durability with the fully upgraded stainless steel water tank. The integrated water volume scale and 70 milliliters maximum capacity provide convenience and precision. Upgraded 20-bar high-pressure piston pump. Achieve optimal extraction with the newly upgraded piston pump, delivering up to 20 bars of high pressure. This ensures the full extraction of oils and aromas from your coffee, resulting in a richer, more aromatic espresso with vibrant crema. 3-in-1 multi-compatibility. This versatile machine is compatible with both small and large coffee capsules, as well as ground coffee, providing ultimate flexibility in your brewing choices. Portable and self-heating. Designed for ultimate convenience, this machine can be used anywhere. It can heat water directly for extraction, eliminating the need for external hot water sources in many situations. Intelligent extraction. Heating extraction. Double-click the power switch to activate the intelligent heating function and extract espresso using cold water. Direct extraction. Long press the power switch for direct extraction using preheated water. Convenient USB Type-C charging. Charge your espresso machine on the go with the included Type-C USB cable. The machine supports charging while in use, perfect for travel, camping, and road trips. Easy to clean and disassemble. The machine's modular design allows for easy disassembly and thorough cleaning, ensuring hygiene and longevity. Specifications: pump pressure 20 bar, water tank capacity 70 milliliters, max. Compatibility: Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto capsules, ground coffee. Heating: intelligent heating function. Charging Type-C USB. Material: stainless steel water tank. Coffee powder capacity 8 grams. Package includes coffee machine mainframe, color box packaging, USB Type-C cable, user manual, coffee spoon. Benefits: barista-quality espresso anywhere, anytime. Versatile 3-in-1 compatibility. Intelligent heating and high-pressure extraction. Convenient USB charging. Easy to clean and disassemble. Large coffee powder capacity. Overall, the wireless electric portable espresso coffee machine is a game-changer for coffee lovers on the move. Its intelligent features, high-pressure extraction, and versatile compatibility make it the perfect companion for travel, camping, or simply enjoying a delicious espresso at home or in the office.